Hi everyone, welcome back to iTech Explore. This is the place where we explore, create, and grow fast with technology. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube logo perfect for our profile. Now, let's get into the video. First thing that you need to do is to go to canva.com. If you're not yet signed up, then you need to sign up. Now, search for YouTube logo. There are a lot of templates that you can choose here. There are free version and there are also pro version. If you'd like to use the pro version, then you need to upgrade your account to pro. You can also design your own logo. Go to create design, search for YouTube logo. It will give you a size which is already 800 by 800 pixels. Let's click on that and then we can now start making our own logo. Now let's start to make our logo. Alright, we already have this color. Now, we're going to make the logo that we always use with our videos, iTech Explore. Let's insert the text. Our logo just contains a text. Let's change the font style. You can search for the font style in the search bar. Let's just press Ctrl D if you want to duplicate the text box and edit. All right, let's just adjust the size. Let's enter Explore. Let's group that one. Make it at the center. Go to Elements, Computer, go to Graphics. You can navigate this three dots here and then go to Layer and send to back. Or you can choose Control Alt, open bracket. Go to Transparency. Alright, we already have our logo now. Just go to share. Just use the PNG file type and then download. While downloading, let's go to our YouTube channel. Click Customize Channel. Right here on the channel customization, under Profile, we go to Picture and then click Upload. Here is the logo that we created. Just click on that. Open and it will be uploaded now. Click done and then click publish. Let's go to our channel. Let's refresh. Alright, we already have our YouTube channel profile picture. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to keep updated for my new uploads. Thanks for watching and see you for my next video. Bye bye!